All right, y'all, it's here. Custom design, limited edition, Carjack Assassins Training Day hoodie right here. Let's check it out, man. Look at this sick hoodie, man. Let's start with the hood, the top of the hoodie, man. Look at this custom design. Where else you gonna see something like this other than Sun's Vision? Look how cool that is, man. The art on the hoodie itself. You got the matching beanie on the inside right there. Then you got the left side of the hoodie right there. Now let's check out the arms of the hoodie, man. Look at this. Let's 360 this thing. The Carjacks, the heroes, you know, the ultimate characters right there. Look at that. Carjacks, the heroes with the sleeve right there covered. All there. And then you got the heroes right here again. The Carjacks, the ultimate characters. Cajun, Escalade, Glocks, Rasputin, Sincere, Shepherd, Diesel, Sphinx. You know, let's look at the villains over here. You got the Assassins, right? Led by Lord Sun Tzu. Artillery, Kanji, Revo, Excursion, Snipes, Yukon, the Coyotes. Yeah, that's right. Custom limited edition hoodie, y'all. Available now on SunVision.com. Get yours today. Stay safe, y'all. Peace.